Hi everyone, coming at you from the garden again. You'll have to forgive the noise. I think one of our neighbors is having work done. Anyway, I just wanted to tell you folks about some of my favorite edible flowers that you might not know about. They are great for stuff like garnishing a fancy plate, a dessert, or adding to your salads. I especially like adding them to my salads. So, first of all, we have fringed pink. I forget the exact Latin name. I'll have to post it in the description. It is a Dianthus, same family as carnation. This particular one, cultivar, smells fantastic. It is Rainbow Loveliness. I got these seeds from Baker Creek, and it is relatively mild in flavor, mild and sweet, like other carnation family members. Relatively mild and sweet, vaguely apple-like. And it is an excellent garnish for any fancy thing you want to make, anything you want to make fancy, or for your salads. If you're short on lettuce, you can throw a handful of flowers in. This one, believe it or not, is off of one of my sugar snap peas. I only plant purple flowering cultivars because it's easier to find them in my insanely chaotic little jungle. It's easier to find the pea plants if they have purple flowers. And the hummingbirds love these things. I always find them at the pea plants. These just taste like a sweeter version of the snap peas. And they are very pretty. Now for, again, garnishing things. And it's a nice edible garnish. And it's really good in a salad. Pairs nicely with the more bitter greens like kale and arugula. Lastly, we have daylilies. Gotta be careful with the lily family. Some of them are like super toxic. I have seen recipes for fried daylilies, etc. But yeah, the lily family is one you have to be super careful with because some of them are extremely toxic. In fact, a lot of them are extremely toxic. But daylilies, those are a good exception. Those are an exception. They taste like they have a very mild vegetable flavor. Lightly sweet. Again, a lot of edible flowers are slightly bitter or herbal, but these three are sweet and mild, sweet, fruity, a sort of mild vegetable you would put in a salad for your kids. And they pair well with bitter greens. pair well with bitter greens, like kale, or arugula, or overripe lettuce, even. And I think I just got pollen on my lip. I did. Daylilies tend to work better for eating the day before they open. So, anyway, I just thought that would be fun to share with you folks. Again, it's one of those things you have to be very careful with. Do your research if you're going to do that. And if you're going to eat flowers, either grow them yourself or obtain them from a culinary grade flower producer, because the stuff you get from the florist has too many chemicals in it. Yep. You have to either grow them yourself or get them from a culinary grade supplier, because florist flowers are all focused on aesthetic, too full of chemicals. Anyway, I will catch you folks later. Bye.